This is guided practice 1.4, and we're still doing rates, ratios, but now we're going to put it into a chart, and this will help you maybe organize it. You just got to read carefully and put things in the right number, right box, and then go up or down, and we'll see how we do here. Let's look at the first one. Santiago receives an allowance $7 per week. How much does he receive after 4 weeks? Okay, so he's getting $7. It's kind of like a ratio or a fraction. $7 per 1 week. Okay, so now if he does 2 weeks, how did I go from here to here? Times 2. So then I times 2 here, and that will get me 14. So in 2 weeks, he'd make $14. Now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to take it from the unit rate, because the unit rate is real easy. It's hard to multiply 2 to 3, but to go to 1 to 3 is times 3. And so from 7 to this one would be times 3. It's 21. Okay. And then the last one, I'm going to start out with my unit rate, which is the $1, 1 week. And how do I go from 1 to 4? It's times 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. So how much did he receive after 4 weeks? He got a total of $28. All right. Tonya runs 8 kilometers in 60 minutes. So 8 kilometers in 60 minutes. At this rate, how long would it take her to run 2 kilometers? Okay, I'm going to cut this in half because we're going down. I'm going to divide each by 2 because I know that'll work. 8 divided by 2 is 4 kilometers in 30 minutes. And then I could go from 4 to 2. I know that that's just cutting it in half again. So now I cut that in half. It's 15. So Tonya runs 8 kilometers in 60 minutes, which is the same as 4 kilometers in 30 minutes, which is the same as 2 kilometers in 15 minutes. These are all equivalent ratios, equivalent fractions, if you want to set it up as a fraction. Okay? Let's do number 3. Lamika buys 12 packs of juice boxes. Okay, so we're going to start here with 12 that are on sale, and she pays a total of $48. Okay. Use a ratio table to determine how much Lamika will pay to buy 8 more packs of juice boxes at the same store. Okay, 8 more packs. We know she bought 12. So what I want to get this down to, I'm going to go down to go up. I want to get this to just 1. So I'm going to divide this 12 by 12. That'll get me 1 juice box, or one package. But if I divide the top by 12, I got to divide the bottom by 12. And that gets me 4. So the unit rate is for 1 pack of juice box, it's going to be $4. So now if I want to buy 8 more, all I got to do, I'm going to erase this so I don't confuse myself, is I want to go from here to 8. And that is 1 times 8 equals 8. 4 times 8 equals 32. So she originally bought the 12 for 48. If she wants 8 more, it's going to cost her $32 more dollars. For this one, you had to take it down to the unit rate to get it down to 1. What's the cost of 1 package of juice boxes? And then once you got it down to 1, you could do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, however many you want it, because you just times it by how many packs more you're going to get. She wanted 8, so then I just times it by 8. Times the number of juice boxes, the 1 times 8, and then the price is $4, but I want 8 of them, so 4 times 8 gets me the $32. Okay? Go ahead and go on to independent practice, page 43, numbers 1 through 5.